Hey there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 43 to share today. We're going to be using the Stargazing DSP, and I've paired it with Lemon Lime Twist and Basic White as my complementary colors. So first we're going to cut the DSP panel down to these two parts, 4 5 1/4 and 4 by 3/4, and we're going to use both on the card. Then I have a piece of this scrap print paper from the collection, and I'm going to pair it with a piece of Basic White. Now on that Basic White, I'm going to stamp my sentiment at the bottom, and then we're going to put the two parts together to make our focal image. So here are all the parts and pieces for the project, and remember, all the details can be found on the mini tutorials you subscribe to. The links are below. So to start, we're going to score, fold, and crease our card base. Then I adhered my graphic DSP panel to the white sentiment panel. Then I have to decide which side of the DSP I want to show. So I've set it both with the green up with the purple stripe, or the purple up and the green stripe. I'm going to go with the purple up because that's my son's favorite color. So I'm putting the purple background piece on my Lemon Lime Twist card, and then I'm applying the paper ribbon across the panel. Then we're going to use dimensionals and add the image of the planets with the sentiment on top. And then I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more bling, so I used the Parakeet Party metallic ribbon as an embellishment, slipped that underneath, and just tied a simple bow. So if you liked the project today, remember you can subscribe here to the YouTube channel or to my newsletter. And of course, you can go ahead and get the mini tutorial emails as well. If you have any questions, leave me comments or reach out by email, and I'm happy to share any information with you I have. So that's it for today. Have a great day and do some fun stamping.